Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be doing a refrigerator clean out. We're not just going to be wiping it out, we're going to be taking things out, going through certain things, seeing what's expired, seeing what's not, and I'm actually going to be filling up the refrigerator also. I just got home from the grocery store, so I wanted to get everything in the refrigerator, but I didn't want to mix it with expired things or old fruits, whatever. So I just wanted to really clean the refrigerator out because it needed it. So if you guys would like to see how I clean out my refrigerator, then just keep watching. Now that the drawers have been taken out and cleaned, while those sit and dry, I'm going to head over to the refrigerator and I'm just going to wipe down where the drawers were. And you guys are going to see that once I'm done with that, I'm loading the drawers back. On the left drawer, I put my fruits. On the right drawer, I put my vegetables. And in the bottom, I put my meats and my cheese and things like that. So after we do that, I'm going to head up to the next shelf and we're just going to take it shelf by shelf and basically go through everything and take it out, wipe it down, and then stick all the good foods back in. The expired things obviously go to the trash. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish this up.
Just a remedy.
Okay, so now we are headed over to the side doors. We have finished all the shelving and have that done. So I just go shelf by shelf and I check expiration dates, make sure everything is still good. If it is, I put it back, and if it isn't, obviously it goes to the trash can. And like I said, I just go shelf to shelf until I'm done, move things around maybe a little bit to the way that I like them. And then here I actually had 2 Parmesan containers. One was like almost gone and the other one was full. So I dumped the remainders of the smaller one into the one that was more full so I could just get rid of one of those containers. And then as you guys just saw, I just cleared off a few things that were on the top of my refrigerator because they were driving me nuts. And yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down and then we will be all done.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
All right, and now that we are all done, oh, this was such a great feeling to have a clean refrigerator, and it was stocked with groceries. But if you guys are curious exactly where I got these little white baskets from in the refrigerator, they're from Target. I will leave them linked below. I usually just keep like snacks for the kids in there. It makes it a lot easier to separate those so I can just grab them and go. But here I'm just showing you guys how everything turned out and how clean and organized it is and where exactly I put everything. But anyways, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say,